The redesigned Tiguan has already been outed, but the model isn't ready for its big debut. However, that didn't stop Volkswagen from showing a camouflaged prototype at the Munich Motor Show. Set to debut later this fall, the redesigned Tiguan will have a more upscale design when it arrives at dealerships early next year. Even with the camouflage, you can see hard lines have been replaced by soft curves and flowing surfaces. They're joined by a minimalist grille that can be flanked by available IQ.LIGHT HD matrix headlights. The crossover has also grown in size as it's approximately 1.2 inches or 3 centimeters longer than its predecessor. However, Volkswagen has previously said the height, width, and wheelbase remain almost identical to the outgoing model. The cabin follows in the footsteps of the redesigned Passat variant and features a digital instrument cluster as well as an available 15-inch infotainment system. Volkswagen has been playing coy on specifics, but we wouldn't be surprised to find a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.9-inch infotainment system in the base model. Elsewhere, there's a revamped center console as the shifter has been moved to the steering column. That isn't the only change, as the crossover sports a rotary controller with a mini screen that can be used to select drive modes, adjust the volume, and even change the color of the ambient lighting system. Buyers will also find a new acoustic package and available ergo-active front seats with a 10-chamber pressure point massage function. Furthermore, the cargo capacity climbs to 23 cubic feet or 652 liters for an improvement of 1.3 cubic feet or 37 liters. We'll learn full details shortly, but the Tiguan will ride on the MQB Evo platform and be offered with hybrid, plug-in hybrid, petrol, and diesel powertrains. A number of them will likely be shared with the new Passat, and Volkswagen has indicated we can expect a 1.5-liter TSI with 174 horsepower or 130 kilowatts/177 PS, as well as a mild hybrid variant with 148 horsepower or 110 kilowatts/150 PS. The plug-in hybrid, on the other hand, promises to offer an electric-only range of up to 62 miles or 100 kilometers. That's the same distance as the Passat, which offers plug-in hybrid powertrains that consist of a turbocharged 1.5-liter TSI engine, a 19.7 kilowatt-hour battery, and an electric motor. They have outputs of 201 horsepower or 150 kilowatts/204 PS and 268 horsepower or 200 kilowatts/272 PS.